When it comes to having a flat tummy, stomach crunches were once the biggest trend. However, these days, there's something new that's taking the fitness world by storm, and that is stomach vacuuming. This exercise has been in the spotlight for quite some time now and is actually just a breathing exercise. It not only strengthens the deepest muscles in your abdomen called the transverse abdominis, but it also activates them. The exercise is quite simple. You just need to contract those muscles. If you do it right, you can have a slimmer waistline and enjoy other benefits, such as improved posture and reduced lower back pain. In clinical settings, the stomach vacuum exercise is called the abdominal drawing-in maneuver. Although it is one of the hottest trends these days, it is actually not a new approach in achieving a slimmer look, since it is focused on breathing. Stomach vacuum is actually a pillar of both pilates and yoga. How to do the stomach vacuum? If you're a beginner and you plan to do this exercise on your own at home, you should start with its most basic move known as the supine stomach vacuum. Here are the steps. Roll onto your back. Keep your knees bent with your feet flat on the ground. Exhale as intensely as you can. Pull your belly button in, as if you're trying to let it reach your spine. Hold that position for at least 15 seconds. Strive to keep the position until you can squeeze your tummy up to 60 seconds. Take small breaths whenever you need to. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Make sure you don't completely rely on it though, as you still need to eat healthy and keep up with other forms of workout. You will see and feel the difference in just a few weeks. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.